Did you know that your body is like a complex machine, constantly building and repairing itself? It needs the right fuel to function at its best. One of the most crucial fuels is protein. It's the building block of muscles, bones, skin, and even your hair. But are you getting enough protein in your diet? Many people aren't. That's where protein powder comes in. What if I told you that taking just 30 grams of protein powder every day could dramatically change your body and your health? Intrigued? Let's dive into the world of protein and explore the incredible impact 30 grams a day can have. Get ready to unleash your inner powerhouse. Imagine your body as a construction site, bustling with activity and constant development. Protein is like the bricks and mortar, essential for building and repairing everything from your muscles to your skin and even your hair. When you consume protein, your body breaks it down into amino acids, the tiny building blocks it uses to create new cells and tissues. These amino acids are then transported through your bloodstream to where they are needed most. These amino acids are the workforce behind muscle growth and repair. They help to rebuild muscle fibers that are broken down during exercise, making them stronger and more resilient. Whether you're hitting the gym for an intense workout or simply going about your daily activities, your muscles rely on a steady supply of protein to stay strong and recover properly. Without enough protein, your muscles can become weak and fatigued. But protein's superpowers don't stop there. It plays a vital role in maintaining your overall health and well-being. It's also crucial for boosting metabolism, as protein requires more energy to digest than carbohydrates or fats, giving your metabolism a little nudge. This means that by eating protein-rich foods, you can help your body burn more calories throughout the day. It helps curb cravings, keeping you feeling fuller for longer and helping you resist those tempting sugary snacks. This can be especially beneficial if you're trying to maintain a healthy weight or lose a few pounds. Plus, protein works in tandem with calcium to keep your bones strong and resilient. This is particularly important as you age, as maintaining bone density can help prevent fractures and osteoporosis. Now let's talk about the magic of 30 grams. This isn't just any number, it's a game changer for your health and fitness. This specific amount of protein consistently consumed each day can lead to some incredible transformations in your body. Imagine waking up each day feeling stronger and more energized. Here's what you can expect. Increased muscle mass. Say goodbye to those flabby arms. Your muscles will become more defined and toned, giving you that sculpted look you've always wanted. 30 grams of protein daily combined with regular exercise can help you build lean muscle mass. This isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling strong and capable in your everyday life. Enhanced fat burning, as protein helps you feel fuller and boosts metabolism, making it easier to shed those extra pounds. You'll find it easier to resist unhealthy snacks and stay on track with your fitness goals. Improved recovery, whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, protein can help your muscles recover faster after workouts, reducing soreness and fatigue. This means you can get back to your routine quicker and with less discomfort. But it's not just about physical changes. The benefits of protein extend to your mental well-being as well. You'll also experience increased energy levels as protein provides a sustained release of energy, keeping you going strong throughout the day. No more mid-afternoon slumps or feeling drained after a workout, and improved mood, since certain amino acids in protein are linked to mood regulation, helping you feel happier and more balanced. This can lead to better relationships and a more positive outlook on life. So, whether you're aiming for physical transformation or just want to feel better overall, remember the power of 30 grams of protein. It's a small change with big benefits. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Are there any downsides to taking protein powder? Like any supplement, it's essential to approach protein powder with a balanced perspective. Here are a few things to keep in mind. Some people may experience bloating, gas, or digestive discomfort when they first start taking protein powder, especially if they're not used to consuming a lot of protein. If you have any pre-existing kidney conditions, it's crucial to talk to your doctor before adding extra protein to your diet. And relying solely on protein powder for your protein intake can lead to an imbalance in other essential nutrients. The key is moderation and balance. Protein powder should complement a healthy diet, not replace real food. Always listen to your body and consult with your healthcare provider if you have any concerns. Section 5. Protein power-ups, finding your perfect fit. Walking down the supplement aisle can feel like navigating a maze. With so many options, it can be overwhelming to decide which protein powder is right for you. With countless protein powder options, how do you choose the right one for you? It's important to understand the different types and their benefits. Let's break down the most popular types. Whey protein, derived from milk. Whey protein is a fast-absorbing option, ideal for post-workout recovery. Whey protein is known for its quick digestion and high biological value, meaning your body can use it efficiently. It's perfect for those looking to build muscle and recover quickly after intense workouts. It comes in various flavors and mixes easily into smoothies or shakes. Casein protein, also found in milk. Casein protein is digested more slowly, providing a sustained release of amino acids throughout the night, making it a great choice for a bedtime snack. Casein protein helps prevent muscle breakdown while you sleep, ensuring your muscles have a steady supply of nutrients. This makes it particularly beneficial for those who want to maximize muscle recovery and growth overnight. Soy protein. A plant-based option, soy protein is a complete protein containing all 9 essential amino acids, perfect for vegetarians and vegans. Soy protein is also known for its heart health benefits and can be a great addition to a balanced diet. It's a versatile option that can be used in various recipes, from shakes to baked goods. Pea protein. Another plant-based powerhouse, pea protein is hypoallergenic and easy to digest, making it a great alternative for those with sensitivities. Pea protein is also rich in iron and can help support muscle growth and repair. It's an excellent choice for those with dietary restrictions or allergies. Experiment with different types and flavors to find what you enjoy most. Remember, the best protein powder is the one you'll consistently consume. Consistency is key to seeing results, so choose a protein powder that fits your lifestyle and taste preferences. Whether you prefer whey, casein, soy, or pea protein, the right choice is the one that helps you meet your fitness and nutritional goals. Happy protein hunting. Section 6. Listen to your body, the importance of balance. While 30 grams of protein powder can be a game changer, it's not a magic bullet. The key to unlocking its full potential lies in balance. Think of your diet as a puzzle. Protein is just one piece. You also need complex carbohydrates, provide sustained energy for workouts and daily activities, healthy fats, support hormone production and nutrient absorption, fruits and vegetables packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to keep your body functioning optimally. Don't forget about hydration. Water is essential for countless bodily functions, including protein absorption. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially around workouts. Section 7. Myths debunked, separating fact from fiction. The world of nutrition is rife with misinformation. Let's debunk some common myths surrounding protein powder. Protein powder is only for bodybuilders. Protein is essential for everyone, regardless of their fitness goals. It supports muscle growth, repair, and overall health. Protein powder will make you bulky. Building significant muscle mass requires intense training and a calorie surplus. Protein powder alone won't make you bulky. You should consume protein immediately after a workout. While consuming protein within a couple of hours after a workout is beneficial, the anabolic window is not as narrow as once thought. Remember, knowledge is power. Don't let misinformation prevent you from reaping the benefits of protein powder. Section 8. Real people, real results. Anecdotes of transformation. Still not convinced? Let's hear from real people who have experienced the transformative power of incorporating 30 grams of protein powder into their daily routines. I used to struggle with constant fatigue and sugar cravings. After adding a protein shake to my breakfast, I noticed a huge difference in my energy levels. I feel fuller for longer and have even lost a few pounds. Sarah, 32. As a runner, recovery is crucial for me. Since I started taking a casein protein shake before bed, I've noticed a significant reduction in muscle soreness and faster recovery times. Mark, 45. These are just a few examples of how protein powder can make a real difference. It's not about drastic transformations overnight, it's about making sustainable changes that enhance your overall health and well-being. Section 9. The 30-gram challenge. Are you ready? Now that you're armed with the knowledge, are you ready to embark on your own 30-gram protein journey? Here's a simple challenge to get you started. Start by incorporating 1 serving of protein powder, around 30 grams, into your daily routine. Try a protein shake for breakfast, a post-workout recovery drink, or a healthy snack. Experiment with different types of protein powder and find what you enjoy most. Get creative with recipes and incorporate protein into your meals and snacks. Pay attention to how your body feels. Are you experiencing increased energy levels, improved recovery after workouts, reduced cravings? Remember, consistency is key. Make it a habit to consume 30 grams of protein daily, and you'll be amazed by the results. Section 10. Unleash your potential, the power of protein. In a world constantly demanding more from us, it's time to prioritize our health and well-being. Protein is not just a buzzword, it's a fundamental building block of a strong, healthy body. By incorporating 30 grams of protein powder into your daily routine, you're not just fueling your muscles, you're fueling your potential. You're giving your body the tools it needs to recover faster, build lean muscle mass, boost metabolism, and feel its absolute best. So go ahead, embrace the power of protein, unleash the best version of yourself, and live a healthier, more vibrant life.